Question number 9. How many words with or without meaning can be formed from the letters of the word Monday, assuming that no letter is repeated? If number 1, 4 letters are used at a time. Number 2, all letters are used at a time. Number 3, all letters are used but first letter is a vowel. Solution. First one, if 4 letters are used at a time, then required number of words is equal to 6p4 is equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 is equal to, so 30 into 12, that is 360. Second one is, if all letters are used then number of words is equal to 6p6 is equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 or factorial 6. So we can make the group of numbers to find the product. 24 into 30, that is 720. Third one is, if all letters are used but first letter is a vowel, then required number of words is equal to. So how many vowels are there? 2 vowels are there. So first place can be arranged in 2 ways and remaining 5 places can be arranged in 5 ways. That is 2 into 5p5 is equal to 2 into factorial 5 is equal to 2 into, what is the value of factorial 5? 120 is equal to 240. Question number 10. In how many of the distinct permutations of the letters in Mississippi do the four I's not come together? Solution. The word Mississippi contains 11 letters. Of which one M, four I's, four S, and two P. Therefore, number of permutations from these letters is equal to factorial 11 divided by factorial 4 into factorial 4 into factorial 2 because of 4i, 4s and 2p is equal to factorial 11 can be written as 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into factorial 4 divided by factorial 4 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 2. Factorial 4 we can cancel from both numerator and denominator. 3 into 2, 6, we can cancel with 6. 4 into 2, 8, we can cancel with 8. Now we should find a product. We can make group of numbers while finding the product. 11 into 5, 55 into 10, 450. Into 9 into 7, that is 63. Now try to find a product. Yes. What is the product? 34,650. If you consider 4 I's as one letter, then you will get 8 letters which contains 4s and 2p. Therefore, number of permutations in which four I's are together is equal to factorial 8 divided by factorial 4 into factorial 2. 4 i's can be arranged among themselves in factorial 4 divided by factorial 4 ways is equal to factorial 8 can be written as 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into factorial 4 divided by factorial 4 into 2. Factorial 4 we can cancel from both numerator and denominator. 2 ones are 2 fours are 7 into 6 42 into 20. What is the product? 840. Therefore, required number of permutations in which four i's are not together is equal to 34,650 minus 840 is equal to, what is the difference? 33,810. Question number 11. In how many ways can the letters of the word permutations be arranged if the words start with P and end with S? Vowels are all together. There are always 4 letters between P and S. Solution. The word permutations contains 12 letters. Of which one P, one E, one R, one M, one U, 2 T, 1 A, 1 I, 1 O, 1 N and 1 S. Coming to the first one, when you fix P in the first place and S in the last place, remaining 10 letters can be arranged in factorial 10 divided by factorial 2 ways. P can be arranged in one way and S can be arranged in one way. Therefore, required number of ways in which words start with P and end with S is equal to 1 into factorial 10 divided by factorial 2 into 1 is equal to factorial 10 can be written as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 fives are. I hope you know the value of factorial 8. Already I have calculated value of factorial 8. If you have not remembered, then you can calculate now. That is 40,320. 9 into 5, 45. Try to get the product. Yes. What is the product? $18 lakh 14,400. Coming to second one, how many vowels are there? 5 vowels are there. If you consider these 5 vowels as one letter, then you will get 8 letters with 2 T's. Therefore, required number of ways in which all vowels are together is equal to factorial 8 divided by factorial 2. Here this is not sufficient because all vowels can be arranged among themselves in factorial 5 ways. So we have to multiply by factorial 5 is equal to, what is the value of factorial 8? 40,320. This divided by 2 we can keep as it is, into, what is the value of factorial 5? That is 120. So try to find a product. What is the product? 24,19,200. Coming to third one. Since there are 4 letters between P and S, therefore P and S may occupy first and sixth places. Second and seventh places. Third and eighth places. Fourth and ninth places. Fifth and 10th places. Sixth and 11th places. Seventh and 12th places in 7 ways. P and S can be interchanged in 2 ways. Therefore, P and S can be arranged in 7 into 2 ways. Remaining 10 places can be arranged in factorial 10 divided by factorial 2 ways. Therefore, required number of ways in which four places are between P and S is equal to 7 into 2 into factorial 10 divided by factorial 2. Already have got the value of factorial 10 divided by factorial 2 and multiply that value by 14. That is 14 into 18 lakh 14,400 is equal to S. What is the product? That is 2 crores 54 lakh 1,600.